Hello everyone, my name is Paweł Rymsza and today I will show you how to create a phasing groups inside Twinmotion. So let's get started. First of all, phasing groups allow us to quickly manage what's visible and what's not visible in your scene. It allows you to create animation showing progress of the build, and it also allows you to quickly manage different states of the project. So how does it work? We go into Media tool and then we go into phasing groups and we click on the plus button here. We create a phase 1. The way it works is if we bring something from the library, let's say we click on the primitives and we place a box. As soon as we move out of the timeline of phase 1, that box and everything else will disappear. And as soon as we move back, it appears again. So it's unhidden basically. So the way it works is if you want to hide something in phase 1, we select phase 1, we click on the asset and we hide it. And that's pretty much it. As soon as you move back, that box is hidden. So that's how it works. Now, let's take our project. In phase 1, I have simple area where we build our house. Then we click on the plus and we create phase 2. In phase 2, I would like to hide the grass. So we click on the scatter vegetation and just hide it. I would also like to hide the ground plane. It's not really needed now. And I would also like to unhide state 1, which I prepared in my modeling tool. So this is basically a place where our foundation will be laid out. So this is phase 2. Now again, click on the plus button and create phase 3. In phase 3, I will hide the current state and unhide the next stage of our project. This way we can see different states of our project. Now let's add additional asset. I will go into library and bring some people here. We have people which are gonna build our house, but I would like to show them in multiple stages of our project. So not only in phase 3, but also in phase 2. The way to do it is to create another track. So we click on the track 1 and we click new track. And here I will create another phase. This phase is gonna be longer. It's gonna be as long as both of our stages. So now I click on it and then I can hide everything in the scene. Then I will just select those people and unhide them. So basically phase 4 is just those people. So as soon as we move our camera, those people are staying in place. And now if for some reason I decide to extend that phase, they will also be visible in our starting phase 1. So as you can see, you can bind different assets to certain stages called phases. So this is the way it works. And now if you, let's say, are happy with the animation, we can go into media and add our phasing group to videos created. I have prepared a short animation how our camera could move with different phases. The way we apply our phase group to our video is by going into video details. And here we have phasing group and we just pick the phasing group which we created before. And that's it. Thank you very much and have a great day.